In this question, we need to simplify this expression. So we start by simplifying the numerator first. In the numerator, we have got the expression 4x squared minus y squared. To simplify this expression, we are going to use the quadratic identity a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared, which we call it a difference of two squares. So to simplify this, 4x squared minus y squared will be 2x plus y multiplied by 2x minus y. When you come to the denominator, the expression 2x squared minus 7xy plus 3y squared can be simplified by factorization method. We will factorize by starting with looking for the product and the sum. The product will be the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, multiplied by the coefficient of y squared, which is 3. This gives us 6. The sum is the coefficient of xy, which is in this case negative 7. We look for two numbers. When you multiply them, you get 6. When you add them, you get negative 7. The two numbers are negative 6 and negative 1. If you add negative 6 and negative 1, we get negative 7. And if you multiply, you get positive 6. Now, what we need to do is replace this negative 7xy with these two numbers, considering the fact that we have got the variables xy. We are going to rewrite the denominator, and that will be 2x squared minus 6xy minus xy plus 3y squared. From there, we divide the expression into two equal halves, a process called factorization by grouping. On the left hand side, we find what's common, and that is 2x, and then we have in the bracket x minus 3y. The right hand side, we have minus y common, and in the bracket we are going to have x minus 3y. So these two are still the same if we expand. From there, we check what is common, which is x minus 3y, and combine what is outside the bracket, and that is 2x minus y. And that's the final factorization or simplification of the denominator. From there, we find the numerator over denominator. Our numerator is 2x plus y multiplied by 2x minus y, and our denominator is x minus 3y multiplied by 2x minus y. We cancel what is common, and the final simplification of the whole expression will be 2x plus y divided by x minus 3y. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video.